hello, dear lovely children. How are you? I hope so. You are doing great. So, welcome to my channel Maths Smart Educate by Lakshmi. So, by this channel name only introduce my name. I am Lakshmi. So, you are watching this channel. I am using very important and very smart learning techniques I am going to teach on the topics regarding maths. 10th class level. Today I am going to discuss what is that. Can you guess? Anyone can guess? Yes. Solid I really revealed in the previous class. You know very well the topic what I am going to discuss. Very quite interesting and important topic. Easily can focus. There is no difficult at all. Just you have to involve. That's it. If you involve, then it's very easy for you. Can you? Yes, very good. So అందరూ కూడా చాలా బాగా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయితే ఈ చాప్టర్ చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. వాట్ ఇస్ ద చాప్టర్ నేమ్? Progressions. You have to know the progression is what first and foremost. Progressions means certain numbers, maybe things, objects, whatever maybe like figures. The whatever maybe things can be increasing or decreasing or maybe stable in a particular pattern. Such type of things form a progressions. Clear? So to get the clear idea about the definition, we can come across these examples. You can recognize 1 to 6 examples I have given. You can recognize what is its progress one by one. Can you? Okay. Number 1. What we can observe that here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Okay. Example 1 నుంచి మనం ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చండి? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. We can observe that from these numbers. So each number is added 2. Means what? 2 add 2 to 2 is 4. Add 2 to 4 is 6. Add 2 to 6 is 8 and so on. Means what? 2 is adding for each preceding number. This series will be formed. This is one of the type of progressions, right? Now we can look at the question number 2. What we can observe here? Anyone can guess? Exactly. First term is 1, second term is 4, third term is 9. Means what you can observe that first term is simply square of 1, second term is square of 2, means 2 square. So this will be 1 square. 1 square is 1 only. 4 we can write 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and square of the numbers. Square of the natural numbers it is. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. This is also one type of the progressions. Clear? Now look at the question number 3. అర్థమైంది? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square అంటే స్క్వేర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ని మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 అనే నెంబర్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. ఇది ఒక ప్రోగ్రెషన్. ఓకే. నౌ థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద నెంబర్స్ హియర్? వీ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Why I am reading like? Because you can observe that 1, 2, 3 is 2 continuous numbers like 1, 2, 3. Then second set we can observe that. So for first set we can add 1, 1, 1. We can get the second set. అంటే ఫస్ట్ సెట్కి 1, 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే సెకండ్ సెట్ వస్తుంది. లైక్ 1 + 1 2, 2 + 1 3, 3 + 1 4. Same way for second set we can add 1, 1, 1. We can get the third set. Like 2 + 1 3, 3 + 1 4, 4 + 1 5 and so on. This is also one of the type of progressions. Clear? Right. Now not only like numbers, we can observe the figures also. You know that clearly maths mostly connected with the numbers and the figures. We can use the figures also for our idea purpose. We can use any manner. Okay. That is important. Understanding is important. Now fourth example, what you can observe that I have given some circles here. Circles ఇచ్చాను కదా అక్కడ. And what is the first one? Is a 1 circle. Second one will be 4 circles. Third one will be 9 circles. Means what is circle 1 square, circle 2 square, circle 3 square and so on. Like example 2. In example 2 I have given the numerical values. Here I have given the circles. Clear? In place of circles you can take anyone. So this is also one of the type of progressions. ఇందులో కూడా మనం ఏం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాము? 1 square, 2 square, 1 square is 1 circle, 2 square is 4 circles, 3 square 9 circles, and so on. Clear? Now can come to the fifth question. Fifth question, what you can observe that there will be triangles. Okay, so this is one triangle. Next it becomes for 1 to 1 2 triangles will be, now 2 to 1 3 triangles, yeah, 3 to 1 4 triangles. So there will be 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles, and so on. This is also one of the example for progressions. అర్థమైందా? ఇది ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉంది, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఇది కూడా ఒక example progressions. Clear? Right. Now we can observe that here there will be some additions, squares, etc. But in case of the sixth example, what you can observe that 5 5 5 5 all are 5s, means what? Either 0 is adding or subtracting, it will be no change. Means what? Here also this is also one of the progression, but it is stable. ఇది కూడా ఒక progressions కింద మనం కౌంట్ చేయొచ్చు. 0 యాడ్ చేసినా, 0 సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేసినా, 5 minus 0 is 5, 5 plus 0 is also 5. అలాగే ఇది ఒక example progression. These are the simple examples about the progressions. Now in the today's topic, especially I am going to discuss about under the progressions what is arithmetic progressions. ఓకే, ఈ ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్లో మనం ఇప్పుడు అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ గురించి నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం. అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ షార్ట్ ఫామ్? యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో ఫస్ట్. క్లియర్? నౌ we are going to start the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is in short form, we can call it as AP series. Okay, arithmetic progression is what are these various terminology, what are the various content, you have to know first. ఇందులో ఏం టర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఏ విధంగా అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అవుతుంది అనేది మనము నేర్చుకుందాం. ఓకే, దానికి సంబంధించిన ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1ని ఈరోజు కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను చేస్తాను, కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు ఇస్తాను. సో కెన్ యూ? ఎస్, కంపల్సరీ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యూ డూ ద వర్క్, డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ. ఐ విల్ డూ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. I will give the few of the questions to you for your work. What is your result? You put it in the comment box, or maybe top commenters compulsory. I will speak out their names in next video. Clear? Please watch the video till end. What are maybe your doubts? What are maybe given work result also you can mention in the comment section. Okay. కంప్లీట్గా వీడియో చూడండి. ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నా లేదా నేను ఏదో వర్క్ ఇస్తానో అది వర్క్ చేసి కంపల్సరీ కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయండి. టాప్ 10 కామెంట్స్కి నేను రివీల్ చేస్తాను నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో వాళ్ళ నేమ్స్. నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ వాట్ ఈజ్ అ అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. దట్ ఈస్ సింపుల్ ఫార్మ్. ఇన్ షార్ట్ ఫార్మ్ యూ కెన్ రీడ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ AP. We can write it as AP. Which series is which progression is called as arithmetic progression? Simply list of the numbers. Each number can be obtained by adding the fixed number to the preceding one, except the first term. Such type of the terms form a AP series, that is called as arithmetic progression. What is the meaning of the preceding? Preceding అంటే ఏంటి? ముందు టర్మ్కి ప్రతి టర్మ్ దాని ముందు టర్మ్కి ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూని యాడ్ చేయడం ద్వారా మనకి ఒక సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ ద టర్మ్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. దాన్నే అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అంటాం. ఓకే, అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ షార్ట్ ఫామ్లో ఎలా రాస్తాము? AP. Look at this example. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. What you can observe that from this example? For the 3, we are adding the 2, 5 can get. For 5, by adding the 2, we can get the 7. For 7, by adding the 2, we can get the 9. By 9, by adding the 2, we can get the 11. Means what? Each number can be obtained by adding the fixed value 2 to the preceding one. అంటే 5కి ముందున్న నెంబర్ అంటే 3కి ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూ 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే 5 వచ్చింది. 5కి ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూ 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే అంటే 7కి ముందు టర్మ్ ఏంటి? 5కి ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూ సేమ్ 2నే యాడ్ చేయాలి, 7 వచ్చింది. సిమిలర్లీ 9కి 9 రావాలంటే 7కి 2 యాడ్ చేయాలి. అలాగే 11 ఎలా వచ్చింది? 9కి 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే. ఈ విధంగా 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 అవన్నీ కూడా ఏ సిరీస్లో ఉన్నాయి? This is called as arithmetic progression. Is it clear now? So you have to know definition, just general one example. We can take many examples. You have to know general form of the AP series. General form of AP series ఎలా ఉంటుంది? We can observe this one. General form of AP. Here A, then A plus D. How you get the A plus D? By adding the A to D, we can get the A plus D. And now you get the a plus 2d by adding the a plus d to d. A plus d is a plus 2d. How can you get the a plus 3d? By adding the d to a plus 2d, we can get the a plus 3d. అంటే అన్నీ ఎలా వచ్చాయి మనకి? ప్రిసీడింగ్ టర్మ్కి డి అనే ఫిక్స్డ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ యాడ్ అవుతూ వచ్చింది. అంటే ఏకి డి యాడ్ అయింది, ఏ ప్లస్ డి, ఏ ప్లస్ డికి డి యాడ్ అయింది, ఏ ప్లస్ 2d, ఏ ప్లస్ 2dకి డి యాడ్ అయింది, ఏ ప్లస్ 3d. ఇది ఏమో ఏ ఫామ్ అంటాము? జనరల్ ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ AP series, in which the term what is available in first that is called as first term, where A is a first term. And what is D? What is adding here? Fixed term D is adding. So the D is simply common difference. You have to know the terms also. There names or terminology that is called. You have to know the terminology also. ఇందులో వాటి నేమ్స్ కూడా తెలుసుకోవాలి. మీరు తెలుసుకుంటేనే మీకు చాప్టర్లో మనకి క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడో ఏం కనుక్కోమన్నారని ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. దీని ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ అనుకో A1, ఇది సెకండ్ టర్మ్ A2, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ A3, ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్ A4 ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి. డి కనుక్కోవడం ఎలా కనుక్కుంటారు? డి మనం ప్రతి ఎంత యాడ్ అయిందో తెలియాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? సింపుల్గా సెకండ్ టర్మ్ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ని సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి. అలాగే థర్డ్ టర్మ్ నుంచి సెకండ్ టర్మ్ని, ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్ నుంచి థర్డ్ టర్మ్ని సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే మనకి కావాల్సిన డి వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్. హౌ కెన్ యూ గెట్ ద కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్? బై సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ ద A1 ఫ్రమ్ ద A2, A2 ఫ్రమ్ ద A3, A3 ఫ్రమ్ ద A4, we can get the common difference, where A1, A2, A3, A4 are called first term, second term, third term, fourth term, etc. You know, A plus D minus A is D only. Similarly, A plus 2D minus A plus D. A cancel, 2D minus D is D, like that. That's why you can give the name for this one. D, common difference name are given. How can you get it? By A2 minus A1, or all these are fixed, same. Maybe A3 minus A2, A3 minus A4 minus A3, right? Like this we can find out the common difference. Clear? So you know what is AP series is what? What is the example I have given? Simple, any example you can take. You can choose any example from your side also. We can form the AP series. So general form of AP is what? What is general form of AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. ఓకే, జనరల్ ఫామ్ ఏపీ అంటే ఇది జనరల్ ఫామ్. ఇందులో 2 టర్మ్స్ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. ఏంటి? ఏ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్. ఏని ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ అని. డిని ఏమంటాము? కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్. డి ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్. హౌ కెన్ యూ గెట్ ద డి? బై ద సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ ద ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ మైనస్ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సెకండ్ టర్మ్, లైక్ A2 minus A1, same A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Like this, we can get the idea about the general AP series is what? What is the first term and the common difference. Is it clear? Now, I have given some examples here. We are going to discuss, we can going to find out what are the first term and common difference. Look at these examples. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చాను. దీని నుంచి మనకి ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటో మనం ఇప్పుడు కనుక్కుందాం. సరేనా? Now, look at the question number 1. What is asking? Find first term and the common difference of the following. Means we have to find what? A and D. A, D ఏంటో మనకి కనుక్కోవాలి. ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ 3 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చాను. So anyone can guess what is A here? In the first question, what is A? What is the first term is available here? 5. That is only A, right? A is how much here? 5. What is the common difference? How can you get the common difference? D. D we can get either D, A2 minus, we can get A2 minus A1. How can you get the D? Either A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. D is, you know, you can take these are some A1, A2, A3, A4. What is A2 minus A1? Is clearly 9 minus 5 is a 4. No need to take all. 1 is enough because all are fixed. Clear? So, అన్నీ కూడా చేయని అవసరం లేదు, ఒకటి తీసుకుంటే సరిపోదు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏ వాల్యూ 5, డి వాల్యూ 4 ఫ్రమ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. రైట్? వాట్ అబౌట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2? Question number 2, what you can get? What is A value? Yes, A is what is A? Yes, exactly 3. What is the common difference? D. D we can get by A2 minus A1. చెప్పండి D ఎలా వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ A2 minus A1 అంటే 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Like this we can find out AD values from the question number 2. What about question number 3? So for this also simply what is A? A is S 10, D is what is D? So we can observe that here A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. D is A2 minus A1. That is 20 minus 10 is 10. Is it clear? Now how you can find out A and D? By this examples you can get the idea. So is it clear? Now I will start the exercise. That is, this is the sixth chapter 6.1 exercise I'm going to start. So you are ready with face the homework questions also. Means I will go some questions to you. You can face them. Already said to you, you can mention your answer in the comment section. Clear? Now I'm going to start the exercise. I said to you this is a chapter 6. That is first exercise is 6.1. What are the questions given in the 6.1? One by one we'll discuss. So look at the question number 1. Question number 1 చూడండి ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ. In which the following situations does the list of numbers? In which the following situations does the list of numbers make an AP? So there will be some situations are given. We can form the list of the numbers. Those are in AP or not and why. We have to check it is AP or not and why. Reason also you have to give. According to the given statement, ఏమి ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ 4 బిట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. 4 బిట్స్లో కూడా మనము ఇచ్చిన సిచ్యుయేషన్ బట్టి నెంబర్స్ ఫామ్ చేసి అది ఏపీలో ఉన్నాయో లేదో చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, కమ్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ సిచ్యుయేషన్. ద మినిమం ట్యాక్సీ ఫేర్ ఈజ్ ₹20 for the first kilometer. You know very well most of them are traveling by autos like taxi. Taxi fare is given. The minimum tax fare is ₹20. What is the minimum tax fare is ₹20 for first kilometer. You know when you sit in the taxi, maybe auto, they will start the meter. That will be the first minimum fare, starting with the minimum fare. Then for each kilometer it will be rising. That is only given. What is minimum fare is here ₹20, and then thereafter afterwards it will be rising ₹80 for each additional kilometer. After that it will be rising what? ₹80. How much is rising? ₹80 for each kilometer. Is it clear now? So first starting fare is how much? ₹20. How much is rising in each additional kilometer is ₹8. Then we can form the list of the terms. It is AP or not. We can observe that. అర్థమైందమ్మా? ఫస్ట్ ₹20 స్టార్టింగ్ ఫేర్ ఉంది. తర్వాత ఒక్కొక్క అడిషనల్ కిలోమీటర్కి ₹8 యాడ్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది. అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫేర్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ₹20 యాజ్ ఏ ₹20. How much is adding for each kilometer? First is 20. Then next kilometer, 1 kilometer if he runs, it will be adding ₹8 for the 20. That will be ₹28. Then one more kilometer if he runs, meter runs. Now one more 8 is adding for 28. 28 మళ్ళీ 8 add అవుతుంది 36. Right. Again for 36 8 is adding, it will be 44 like this. Okay. Is it clear? ఒక్కొక్క కిలోమీటర్కి 8 యాడ్ అవుతుంది. స్టార్టింగ్ ఫేర్ ఎంత ఉంది 20. 20కి 8 యాడ్ అయితే 28. 28 + 8 36 ఎక్సెట్రా. ఇది ఏమైంది కంపల్సరీ? ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్ ఇన్ AP series because each term preceding term is added by a fixed value 8. Means here rupees here. You know in your textbook rupees symbol is also giving. We can try to understand the what a rupee symbol. Just I have written in the words. Clear? Now this is which series? This is clearly 100% AP series. Why? We can give the explanation. Yes, clearly fixed value ₹8 is added for each preceding one. Like that we can give the explanation, right? Now come to the second bit. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. The amount of the air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. How much air is remaining in the cylinder? From that, the vacuum pump removes the 1/4 of the air from the cylinder. That too at a time. At a time means not frequently. It will remove once only. Once only. Okay. Means what is not adding like previously. Here what is given here? For each additional kilometers, means for each it is adding, but it is not like that. It is what happened here, 1/4 of the air is removed at a time, means what, not frequently removing, it is at a time only. That is clearly not in AP. అర్థమైందా? ఈ సిలిండర్లో ఉన్న ప్రెషర్ని వాక్యూమ్ పంప్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, 1/4 ఆఫ్ ద ఎయిర్ని రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంది. 1/4 ఆఫ్ ద ఎయిర్ రిమూవ్ ఎప్పుడు ఒకేసారి రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంది, కాబట్టి ఇది AP సిరీస్ కాదు. సపోజ్ ఎక్స్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఎక్స్లోంచి 1/4 రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది, అంటే ఎక్స్ మైనస్ x/4, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఎక్స్ అమౌంట్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఎక్స్లోంచి ఎక్స్ మైనస్ x/4 రిమూవ్ అయిపోతుంది, 1/4. ఇవి ఒక్కసారి అయింది, ఇంకొక టర్మ్ లేదు మనకు, ఇంకొకసారి రాలేదు, కాబట్టి ఇట్స్ నాట్ AP. రైట్. నౌ కమ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ బిట్. వాట్ ఈస్ బిట్ నెంబర్ 3? ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ డిగ్గింగ్ ఏ వెల్. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it is a cost of rupees 150. The cost of the digging a well. The cost of digging well is given in the first, when it is in rupees 150 for the first meter. You know, అంటే డిగ్గింగ్ అంటే తవ్వడానికి, వెల్ అంటే నుయ్యిని తవ్వడానికి కాస్ట్ ఎంత తీసుకున్నాడు, ఫస్ట్ మీటర్కి 150 రూపీస్ తీసుకున్నాడు. ఇట్ విల్ బి టేకెన్ 150 రూపీస్ ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ మీటర్. దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ మీటర్ అండ్ రైజెస్ బై rupees 50 ఫర్ సబ్సిక్వెంట్ మీటర్. సేమ్ వే లైక్ taxi kilometers. Here digging the well. So what is happened here? So how much is amount is rising for each subsequent meter is 50 rupees. Means for each subsequent meter is adding 50, 50, 50. Means what? What is the first given here? First one is given as, A is given as 150 rupees. Clear? A is given as 150 rupees. Okay. So that is 150. How much is added for 150 to 50 for next meter? Means what? 150 to 50 means 200. Then for 200 we can add the 50, that is 250, right? For 250 add that 50, that is 300, like this. Clear? Each subsequent means previous one, we should add the 50 rupees for rising the each kilometer, each meter. Here meter, here kilometer. So here we can observe that 150, 200, 250, 300. So it is 100% series, AP series, because fixed amount is 50 is added for preceding one. Clear? Right. Now come to the fourth bit. What is given? The amount of money in the account every year when the rupees of 1 lakh is deposited. How much amount of the money deposited in the bank is 1 lakh every year. At the compound interest at the rupees 8% per annum. What is the meaning of compound interest? Compound interest means what? For suppose some X rupees you deposit in the money, we got the some Y rupees interest. So total money along with the first interest is X plus Y. For again we can take the interest for principal amount plus interest amount, that is compound interest. Those formulas you know very well from the compound interest. Here formulas are no need, just you have to think. Compound interest means what? Interest for the again interest. Right? For example, here how much amount is deposited? 1 lakh is deposited. So at the compound interest at the rupees 8 per annum. 8% means what? Per 100, 8 rupees. Suppose per 100, 8 rupees. 1 lakh, 100, 8 rupees. Okay. So in this one, how many here? 1000. You can calculate it 1 lakh by, how many hundreds are there here? 1 lakh by 100 into 8. This will be how much? 800 rupees. How much amount you will get? 800 rupees for example. So this is 1 lakh first principal amount. Now this is 1 lakh 800 Now for the next interest will be rising or not? Because for the next interest for this will be rising. Not he won't take the interest for only 1 lakh. It will be calculated for 1 lakh 800. 1 lakh 800 means interest will be rising, not fixed interest. That's why this is not in AP series. Clear? Just simple way you can understand. So this is not a simple interest, it will be compound interest. So simple interest means it will be fixed. It will be calculated for the principal amount only. You won't add the interest for interest in case of simple interest. But compound interest is not like that. We can pay the interest for the interest already we paid, right? ఓకే సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటమ్మా సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే ఒరిజినల్ అమౌంట్ ఎంత ఉంది 1 lakh ఉంది కదా దానికి మాత్రమే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పే చేస్తూ వస్తాం కానీ కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అలా కాదు సపోజ్ 1 lakhకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ 800 వచ్చింది అనుకో అంటే 1 lakh 800కి మళ్ళీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కట్టాలి అంటే దట్స్ నాట్ ఏ ఫిక్స్డ్ అందుకనే ఇది ఏపీ సిరీస్ కాదు క్లియర్ రైట్ నౌ కాన్సంట్రేట్ ఆన్ ద సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1 వాట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2 write first 4 terms of the AP when first term A and the common difference D are given below. What are given? First term is A, common difference D values are given. ఏమి ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ ఏడి వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చారు ఈ 5 బిట్స్లో మనం ఫస్ట్ 4 టర్మ్స్ని కలెక్ట్ చేయాలి ఎలా కలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం చెప్పండి ఏపీ సిరీస్ అంటే వి షుడ్ యాడ్ ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూ వాట్ ఇస్ ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూ ఇయర్ D to the preceding one. First, what is a first term A? A is how much? 10. By adding 10 to 10, it will be 20, right? By adding 20 to 10, D is 30. By adding 30 to 10, that will be 40. That's it. This is the answer for the first bit. Clear? We should add A is 10, add the D to A, that is 20. 20 plus again add the 10, 30. Again add the 10 to 30 is 40. That's it. Clear? ఇది ఒక్కొక్కటి యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి 10 యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి నౌ సెకండ్ బిట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ఏ -2 -2 యాడ్ విత్ -2 is A. What is the D here? 0. -2 plus 0 is -2 only. Again -2 plus 0 is -2. Here -2 because we are adding the 0. Clear? These are the 4 terms of this question. Right. Now, how can you do the third bit? What is A? First term is 4. Adding 4 to -3. 4 minus 3. If you add the 4 with -3, how much? 4 minus 3, the 1 here. Again, third term. 4, 1 with -3. For 1, we can add the -3. 1 minus 3 is a -2. Again, for -2, we are adding -3. -2 minus 3 is a -5. This is the answer for this bit. Clear? We should add the fixed value here -3 to the preceding one. For 4, first term we can add the -3, we can get the 1. 4 minus 3 is a 1. For 1 again we should add the -3. 1 minus 3 will be -2. For -2 again we should add the -3. -2 minus 3 is a -5. He is asking the 4 terms only. Clear? Now next bit. What is A here? -1, that is first term. -1. Second term, how can you get? For -1, you should add the D is a 1/2. You know, -1 plus 1/2 is a -1/2. We can make the calculation carefully. Now, third term. For -1/2, we should add 1/2. -1/2 plus 1/2 is a 0. That is a third term for this bit. Next, for 0, we should add 1/2. 0 plus 1/2 is a 1/2. This is a first bit, fourth bit answer, right? Now, what about the fifth bit? In case of decimals also, no need to worry. Easily you can add or subtract. So, what is the first term here? A is -1.25. Okay, for -1.25 had -0.25, that is -1.25, we should add -0.25. We can add the decimal numbers like this: 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1, 2 2s 4 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, and minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. This is minus 1.5, right? 1.5 also we can write, y0 also we can write. Next, what is next one? For minus 1.5 we should add minus 0.25, minus 1.502 minus 0.25. Addition of these 5 plus 2 7, and with minus 1.75, right? Now next term, fourth term, for minus 1.75 we should add minus 0.25. It will be 0, 5 by 10 0, 0 1, 7 plus 2 9, 1 10 0 1. This is minus 1. Here minus 1, how much here? Minus 1.752 with the minus 2.5, minus 2 will come, right? Therefore, this will be minus 2. That's it. Okay, like this we can now find out 4 terms of the given 5 bits. How can you find out 4 terms? You can understand easily, right? Now come to the question number 3. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. There will be following APs, there will be 4 bits here. We have to find out first term means A, and the common difference D we have to find out. Is it clear now? 4 bits ఇచ్చారు ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. సింపుల్ So what is the bit number 1? First term. What is the first term is available here? 3, right? So how can you find out common difference? To find out the common difference we can take, this is suppose here A1, A2, A3, A4, so on. We can find out D by the subtraction of A1 from A2, like 1 is enough. A2 minus A1 I am taking. That is A2 is how much here? 1. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is a minus 2. That's it. So what is a A and D values? What are the A and D values? A is a 3. D is a how much? Minus 2. Okay, this is answer for this bit. అర్థమైందమ్మా? A1, A2, A3, A4 ఇచ్చాడు. మనకి ఏ అంటే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ 3 అని తెలుసు. డి ఎలా వస్తుంది? సెకండ్ టర్మ్ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. వాటి సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ఇయర్ A2 ఈజ్ అ 1. 1 with minus A1 is 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Clear? Right. ఇప్పుడు second bit I am observing that. This is I am giving for your work. I am giving the YW. YW means your work. You can do and put your result in the comment section what you got. Simply what is A, what is D, how to mention the comment section. Clear? Now third bit. What is third bit? 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 are given. So for this, what is the first term? A is clearly, first term is what here? 1 by 3, right? As usual, D we can find out if you take this is A1, A2, A3 and so on. So A2 minus A1, 1 is enough. A2 minus A1 I am taking. What is A2 here? A2 is a 5 by 3. 5 by 3. A2 is a 5 by 3 with the minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is a 4 by 3. Right? That is a D. Therefore, what is the answer for this bit? A is a 1 by 3. D is a 4 by 3. అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏ అంత అక్కడ 1 by 3. డి ఎలా వస్తుంది? 5 by 3 లోంచి 1 by 3 రిమూవ్ చేస్తే డి వచ్చేసింది. రైట్? నౌ కెన్ కమ్ టు ద ఫోర్త్ బిట్. ఓకే, కెన్ యూ ట్రై? దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ ట్రై. Okay, I will give you these two for your work. YW means your work. So we can mention your work under the question number, bit number. So and so answer what you got, you can mention in the comment section. Clear? Let's look at the question number 4. What is asking? Which of the followings are in AP? There will be some bits are given which are in AP. We have to recognize first step. If they form in AP, suppose if they form in AP, find the common difference. We can find out the common difference D, then write the next 3 terms. Okay, next we can write the next 3 terms. After finding the D, easily we can find out next 3 terms. There is no difficulty to find out the given citizens AP or not. First we have to find out the D. That is easy. How can you find out D? Already we did previous questions. And after finding the D, to collect the 3 of the terms by adding the D successively. That's it. Okay, it's so easy. చాలా ఈజీ అమ్మా. ఆల్రెడీ సిరీస్ ఇచ్చాడు, వీటి నుంచి ఫస్ట్ డీ కనుక్కుంటే ఆ సిరీస్ ఏపీ సిరీస్ అవునా కదా తెలుస్తుంది. తర్వాత వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్. తర్వాత 3 టర్మ్స్ని యాడ్ చేయడం ద్వారా డీ యాడ్ చేస్తే 3 టర్మ్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఎలా చేయాలో చూద్దాం. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1, 2, 4, 8, 6. First, what is the A1 here? A1, A2, A3, A4. Suppose if we take, what is A1 is A is 2. What is the D? A2 minus A1, right? A2 minus A1 means 4 minus 2 is a 2. And A3 minus A2 also I am doing. That is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is how much? 4. Is it 2? So here D is 2, but here 4. So D is not equal. Therefore, D 2 is not equals to 4. Here 2, here 4. There must be equal. Then only the series is AP series. That's why it is not AP. If it is AP, then only you can find out the next 3 terms. That's it. Clear? Now can come to the bit number 2. What is given? First term is 2, second term is 5 by 2, like A1, A2, A3, A4. So what is the A1 is A is given 2. So D we have to find out. D is A2 minus A1. First we can find out. 5 by 2 minus 2. But taking the LCM here, you know very well, LCM 2 is LCM 5. 2 into 2, 4. Cross multiplication you can do like this. 5 into 1, 5. 2 into 2, 4 like. 5 minus 4 is a 1 by 2. You know D by taking the A2 minus A1 is 1 by 2. Now A3 minus A2 I am taking. A3, 3 minus 5 by 2. Take the subtraction here, 2, LCM 2, 3 to 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. It is clearly which series? Clearly AP series. Now we have to find out next 3 terms. If it is an AP, we can find out the 3 terms. How can you find out 3 terms? What is we got? D is 1 by 2. We got the first AP series and also D is a 1 by 2. Now can you find out remaining? So we can add the 1 by 2 for 7 by 2 first term. That term we can get 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 8 by 2. It will be 4. This is a 4, right? Next, for 4 again we should add 1 by 2. For 4 we should add 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 by 2 is 2 4 8. 8 plus 1 9 by 2. This is second term. Means next 3 terms. 3 terms is asking. First term we got. Next 3 terms. First term we got 9 by 2. Second term and one more term we have to get. And that for 9 by 2 you should add. For 9 by 2 you should add 1 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is a 10 by 2. Will be 5. Right. Next 3 terms will be 4, 9 by 2, 5 for this bit. Clear? Be care into the calculation part. So we got this is clearly AP series, and in this case we got the D value is 1 by 2. At the same time we got the next 3 terms. If it is AP, then only can find out. If it is not AP, no need to worry. Now can come to the next one. Same way. What is the first term here? Minus 1 by 2. A1 is minus 1 by 2, right? Minus 1.2, sorry. A1 is not 1 by 2, minus 1.2. D we can find out. A2 minus A1, that is minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. You know, minus 3.2 minus or minus plus 1.2. You know, already there is a subtraction here. Minus 3.2 minus or minus plus 1.2. Minus 3.2 plus 1.2. From the 2 minus 2 0, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. This is by A2 minus A1. Now similarly, A3 minus A2 if you take. A3 is a minus 5.2 with minus of minus 3 point, right? 3.2. It will be minus 5 by 2, minus 5.2 with plus 3.2. minus 5.2 plus 3 point is minus 2. Right. It is clearly which series? AP series. Now we can find out this is clearly which series? AP series. It is an AB. We can find out next 3 terms. Clear? I will remove this. This is clearly which series? AP series. What is the common difference is minus 2. Minus 2 we can add for the 7.2 with the minus. Minus 7.2 with the minus 2. That is a minus 9.2. That is a one of the term what we want. Minus 9.2. Next. Minus 9.2 adding with the minus 2. Minus 11.2. Right? Then what is next? Minus 11.2 minus 2. Minus 13.2. Right? Like this we can find out next 3 terms of this bit. Clear? Now come to the question number 4. I'm giving to these this question. You can do your work. YW mention. If you get in AP series, find out D and next 3 terms. If it is not AP, mention not AP. Like that. We can do that is yourself. That is I'm doing. Okay. ఇది చేశాను. జాగ్రత్తగా ఇది కూడా చేయండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయండి. సో హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ A1, A2, A3, A4. Right? What is the A is 3? A means A1 is 3. D, A2 minus A1. That is 3 plus root 2 with the minus 3. That is root 2. Right? Now A3 minus A2 I am doing. 3 plus 2 root 2 with the minus of 3 plus root 2. What happened? 3 plus 2 root 2 with the minus 3 minus root 2. You know 3 cancel. 2 root 2 minus root is root 2. Yes. We got the root here. Here also root 2. It is clearly which series? AP series. Okay. Can you find out next 3 terms by adding the root 2 successfully? What I did in these 2 questions, we can follow that one. If you have the doubt, you can mention the comment section. చేస్తారమ్మా నెక్స్ట్ 3 టర్మ్స్ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో చూడండి. 3 plus 3 root 2కి రూట్ యాడ్ చేస్తే 3 plus 4 root 2 లైక్ దట్. క్లియర్? నౌ యూ కెన్ కమ్ టు ద 5th బిట్. ఇందులో సగం పార్ట్ మీ వర్క్ ఇచ్చాను, చేయండి. హియర్ క్లియర్లీ ఫస్ట్ వన్ A1, A2, A3, A4. This is the 6th bit. Now what is A1? You know what is the D here? A2 minus A1, that will be 0.22 with the minus 0.2. How can you subtract 0.22 with the minus 2? 0.22 with the minus 2. Minus 0.2. Like this. If minus 0.2 we can write 2 point for your calculation part. 2.20 we can write. Now take the subtraction. 2 minus 0 2. 2 minus 2 0. With the 0, right? 0.02. 0.02, right? Now next bit. Next A3 minus A2. A3 is a 0.222 with minus 0.22. Again 0.222. 0.222 with minus 0.22. 0 we can add last. 2 minus 2 2. 2 minus 0 2. 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 0. Here 0 point. What you got here? 0.002 we got. Here we got the 0.02. Here we got 0.002. అర్థమైందా? ఏం చేస్తాను? 0.22 నుంచి 0.2 తీసేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది? 0.02 వచ్చింది. అదే 0.222 నుంచి 0.22 తీస్తే 0.002 వచ్చింది. రెండు ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నాయా? ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్. దట్స్ వై ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏపీ. Clear? These bits, for these bits take care. If it is AP, then only find out next 3 terms. Clear? Now I will give the on the same question some remaining bits I will give to your work. Try to do it. If you have any doubt, the question number and bit number you have to mention. Definitely I will clarify in the next class. What are those questions I will give now. Under question number 4 there will be some bits are given for your work. Try to do it. If you have the reader, you can get the idea about these bits. If you are not having the reader, just you can copy down from this video. So but try to do it, then only can get the idea about the topic what I discussed in today's class. In next part, this is the 6.1 exercise is completed. 6.2 and what are maybe with theoretical part we will discuss in next class. Till then, keep work hard. Watch the complete video and try to understand what are the given points and do the practice and do the example sums also what are available in your reader. Try to do the examples. If you have any doubts in this video or maybe in your work, please mention in the comment section. వర్క్ మాత్రం చేయాలి కంపల్సరీ. వర్క్ చేస్తే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంటుంది మ్యాథ్స్. మ్యాథ్స్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ లవ్లీ సబ్జెక్ట్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఇన్వాల్వ్, ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్, ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ. సో డోంట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ ఎనీ కాస్ట్. చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. సో I hope so this video is helpful to you. If you enjoy this video, if you make sure to enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, Maths Smart Educate by Lakshmi. One more channel is there, that is Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In that channel, I am teaching only objective type examinations, that to higher level like JEE Mains, MSET. For your sisters and brothers, if they want, those also can watch these videos. Okay, there will be many videos in that channel. So I will give that channel link in this video. Please you can click that also. So for every doubt, for every topic, I will ready to teach you. So ప్రతి టాపిక్ ని చాలా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తాను. ఇంకా మీకు ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే either my way of teaching, maybe my way of writing, so compulsory you can mention the comment section. No need to worry. I am here, don't fear. Right? We'll see you in the next video.